What up guys, this is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video in JavaScript. We're going to start our tutorial with JavaScript, and today we're going to start with for each. I have done tutorials in JavaScript in the past, but we haven't touched for each yet. So today we're going to do that. So one thing before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe, to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay. All right, let's start. So JavaScript arrays features a really handy function called for each. All right. Um, so what it does is it lets you do it's to iterate over the values of an array one by one. But the syntax is much simpler than a for loop and also a while loop. So let's create an array right here, right now. So we're going to have the name of animals array, and then we are going to look for a couple, maybe two or three animals, creating the array right here. So we're going to say maybe a tiger, comma, let's just do a dog, yeah, comma right here, and then we can just do what is oh, I didn't remember, cow, and also one last, so we can do cat. Okay, so as you can tell, when you're using doing arrays, so we start the index counting as a zero. Tiger is going to be zero, dog is going to be one, cow is going to be two, and cat is going to be three, right? All right, so and we want to iterate this. How do we do this? So we're going to do the following. We're going to create a function. So we're going to do animals. It's pretty simple, animals, and then we're going to use the function for each. And then inside this function, we're going to use an animal function. Okay. And in here, what we're going to do is we're going to pass a couple parameters right here by the name day. I mean, by the by the name animal, comma, and then we're going to say index. So it's going to give us the animal, and then we're going to the position of the array, which we're going to do an index for that. So now inside here, let's just do semicolon, and here we're going to do an alert, um, semicolon, and here we're going to use something really cool, which is called the backtick character. All right, so let's do that. Pan right there. So right here we're going to do the animal column, and then right here we're going to use dollar sign, and then open and close braces braces of yeah, open and close braces, and right here, or brackets, did I say braces, brackets, one of them, I mean, I cannot remember, but here we're going to be using so the value of the animal. So in this case we're going to use animal, we're going to use that variable right here, animal, and then comma, and then we're going to say index, column, and then same thing, dollar sign, open, closing curly brackets, and right here we're going to pass index, the value of the index right here. So now let's save it. We don't need that. So what happened is we're going to pass it, we're going to iterate it. It will give us the animal, and then pass it the animal. It's going to give us the animal, and then it's going to be in what position that animal is in the array. That's why I'm using index. So Let's save it and let's go back to our browser and check it out. um okay, so it's doing nothing. Let's double check what's going on. So we got animals. um so we create the array animals with a variable name animals, and then we got tiger, dog, cow, and cat. Okay, so that's good. And then we got animals for each. Oh yeah, my function is not cool, man. Function, it's a typo. Fun, how do you spell function? C. Yeah, now let's save it and go back and let's refresh it. It should give us, yeah, animal. See, animal, the first one is a tiger, right? It's position 0, and then we click OK. Now the next one is going to be dog, right? That's in position 1. And then the next one is going to be cow, index position 2. And then the last one is going to be cat, it's going to be position 3, the index 3. Okay, right, so that worked perfectly as we expected. So that was a really simple basic how to work with for each. All right, so all right guys, we'll see you in the next video. All right, have a good night. Okay, bye.